Why people don't believe in compounding. The greatest financial superpower of all time, compounding, often goes ignored. But why? Because it's just not intuitive. Most people fail to harness the magic of compounding, because the human brain struggles with long-term thinking. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains that compounding is so extraordinary over time that it defies logic. He writes, "It's so counterintuitive that even brilliant people underestimate it." Here's an example. Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors ever, earned 99% of his wealth after his 50th birthday. Why? Because he started young and let compounding work for over 70 years. Let's break it down. Imagine you invest $10,000 and add $500 monthly to your savings. With compounding at 10% annually, after 10 years, you'd have about $126,000. After 20 years, it grows to over $425,000. And after 30 years, it skyrockets to over $1.2 million. Here's the mind-blowing part. Out of that $1.2 million, over $1 million is pure profit. You only contributed around $200,000 from your pocket. The rest is compounding magic. That's the explosive growth of compounding combined with consistent contributions. Here's the kicker. In the early years, growth feels painfully slow, like nothing's happening. That's why many give up. But over time, compounding gains momentum, creating exponential growth, like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and faster. A fun fact? If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, its thickness would reach the moon. This illustrates the power of exponential growth, the same principle behind compounding. Compounding might not feel intuitive, but once you grasp its power, it's like having a financial cheat code. Start early, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Would you ignore a superpower? Don't make that mistake. Start today. We hope you're enjoying the effort we put into bringing you well-researched content like this. For more detailed videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.